think I was just about to faint. Oh yeah, I was.
It's this thing.
You know what it is? Yeah. What is it? It's a billion thing. Okay.
Well, open all of it up. I want to see what it is. Amy, at least it was yours, but let her finish opening it.
Amy.
There can't be any crying on Christmas.
Here. Cry, baby.
At least it was hers. Whoa, that thing is so cool, Easton. Easton, that is so cool. Oh my gosh.
Look. It's a bicycle. It's a video game. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, pretty cool.
Get the rest of the paper off.
Very cool. Amy, what did you get? You got a Diego thing? Wow. How cool is that?
Hey, don't get so close. Look at the you have to move. You can't just move the camera.
Ethan, do you like that? Santa picked out something good for you, huh? Oh, leave that tape on there. That's for the box. It's not from the present. Wowie zowie.
Yeah. That's cool. Hey, look at that game. That's rock game.
You got a lot of video game stuff. Maybe we're done with presents.
No.
What? No?
No.
We don't need all this. You got a GameCube last night, and you got a Smart Cycle. What do you need all this stuff for?
We need it.
How do you know?
You love it.
Maybe they're just empty boxes. Maybe Santa has a sense of humor.